Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Here in my car park, you can see some of my neighbours' cars. Starting from the left, there is an Alphard, and if the Alphard moves, then you would be able to see a red Model S just next to the pillar. Then there's a BMW X3, and ahead in the distance, there is a black Model S. The car just leaving is a Maserati, and the car directly in front of me is a Mercedes C63. So there is a range of different cars in this car park, but I can already see more and more owners switching to electric vehicles. This dashcam footage was taken in June 2022. This is what I saw the following month. Look, it's got Tesla, darling. He's changed the front one, yeah? It's a Model Y. See, everyone's changing. So the owner of the Mercedes has changed to a Tesla. Even the owner of this attractive Lamborghini has decided to buy a new Tesla. I noticed this change last month, since who wouldn't notice the absence of a bright yellow supercar in their car park? One more thing. There have been recent reports in the local news about sports cars catching fire. I suspect this is mainly due to poor upkeep. These high-end fossil fuel cars require frequent maintenance. We all know EVs do not require as much maintenance, and the upkeep costs of EVs are relatively cheaper compared to ICE cars. Most Hong Kongers are pragmatic, and it won't be a surprise to see more and more car owners in Hong Kong switching to EVs. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay safe.